Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is the card we're making today. Really bright and bold. I love it. I love these kind of stamp sets. Make for really simple cards. And this is the stamp set. Really great stamp set. So thanks, birthday, happy, hello, friend, birthday, and again the sentiments in a different font. We're going to use this one here, and I've got a happy birthday all set up in my stamp apparatus. We are going to stamp using cinnamon cider ink. And just be careful when you're inking up, because there's a lot of ink going down and you don't really want to stick anything in anything. So just push it down, hold it. Okay. And the whole point of the stamp apparatus is that I can restamp. Obviously didn't ink up very well at the top, or I didn't push down, one or the other. Yep, there we go. Happy birthday. So, close up our ink pad. I always close up my ink pads after use. Not because mainly because I don't want to get ink everywhere. And so the reason I'm going to clean up the stamp is to stop the mess. But you don't want to spend all the time making a lovely card and then find that you've, dropped your ink pad in it and ruined all your hard work. So let's just take these out of here for now, otherwise they'll get left in here. Close it up, store your magnet on the back. Now we can put the stamp apparatus away, and let's just set that to dry for a second and work on the rest of our card. Now I have the cinnamon cider card base here. It's a standard A6 card base. That's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. And then I've got a piece of the designer series paper here. Now I can't remember the name. Something symmetrical. But the whole supply list will be on my blog post, and the links to that are in the description box below. So let's just put some adhesive down, and I'm going to stick it to a piece of Whisper White cardstock, or basic white, that measures 14.35 centimeters by 10, and then this one measures it half a centimeter less, but again all the measurements will be on the blog post. So let's put this down like that. Lovely. Set that aside, bring back our sentiment. Now we're going to cut it out using these stitched rectangle dies, and I use these a lot. As you know, I can never remember which one I used, so let's see. No, that's too small. Must be the next one up. Yeah, it's that one. So all I'm going to do is cut this out. So I'll put it through the die cutting machine and I'll be back. Okay, so we're cut out. So now we can stick this down to our card base. Come on, Tombo, work for me. And we're just going to stick this down. This just makes the whole card, I think. So that's what we've got so far. Okay. So, yeah, it looks sort of straight. We're going to make a bow using this ribbon, and this is the Fine Art Floral ribbon, and it is gorgeous. So let's make the bow. And as you know, I'm not the best at bows, but so that will have to do. And then just trim off the ends a bit like that, and put this aside, get rid of those pieces. Glue dots, and I'm just going to use these to stick it down. These just work perfectly. Still fiddling with it, as you can tell. I'm going to have to do. I really don't do well with bows. Anyways, let's do some more decoration. And these are our gilded gems. So let's use some of these. And I'm just going to bring some colour down here outside of the main area of the card, and just brings a little bit of interest there as well. So there you go. They're the two cards. What do you think? Love them, hate them? Let me know. If you do like them, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know. And if you're not subscribed, please do think about subscribing to future videos. I most appreciate it. If you want more information about this project, the supplier list, measurements, all that sort of stuff, it'll be on the blog post on my website. And the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. That includes a link to my Facebook group where I host a monthly online card club. So do come and check us out. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye bye.